Hi children, today we are going to learn about sound of C. Okay, sound of C. See, read aloud the following words from the lesson. Come and cycle. See, two words are given there. Come and cycle. See, the letter C in the word come sounds like K. This is called hard C sound. And the first letter C in the word cycle sounds like S. This is called soft C sound. See, you can see in the word come. Come begins with or starts with the C letter. Then, see, but it is sounds like K. While we say come, C sound is not there, right? Which sound is there? Come, K. It is starting with K sound, but the letter is C. See, such sounds, that is hard C sound. Okay, K is pronouncing as, C is pronouncing as K. That is hard C sound. And the first in the word cycle, it is starting with the C letter. Cycle. The word cycle is starting with a C letter and it is pronouncing as S. See, here C is pronouncing as S. Then, such sound we can call soft C sound. Soft C sound means if the C, here the word is starting with a C, that C we pronounce as S. So, that is soft C sound. See, hard C sound and soft C sound. Then the page number 33. See, the letter C sounds like hard C, letter K. Okay. When it is followed by the vowel A or A, O and U. See, the letter C sounds like, if the letter sounds like a hard C in the sense sound, K sound, right? Here come, the word come is starting with C letter and that C is pronouncing as K. It sounds like K. Such sound, hard C, when it is followed by the vowels A, O and U. If these vowels are following the letter C, that C letter will pronounce as K or hard C sound. Okay, see here you can see the examples. Can, cow and cup. Can, cow and cup. See here you can see all words are starting with K sound, but the letter is C, right? Letter is C, but it sounds like a K. See, can, C-A-N, can, C-O-W, cow and C-U-P, cup. Here you can see the second letter, A-O-U. Those are vowels, right? A, O and U. See, in those words, can, cow and cup, C is pronouncing as K. K sound. Why? Because these words are, here in these words, C letter is followed by the vowels A, O and U. So, it is pronouncing as K letter C. So, C is pronouncing as K letter. It sounds like K sound. Okay. Next one. The letter C sound like soft C. Letter S. Soft C in the sense it is pronouncing as letter it is pronouncing as or sounds like S. Okay. When it is followed by the vowels E, I and the consonant Y. See, the letter C sounds like soft C when it is followed by the vowels E, I and Y. If the C letter is following by the vowels E and I or the consonant Y. If the C letter is followed by E, I or Y letter, it will pronounce as, that C letter will pronounce as yes. Okay, here you can see the examples: center, pencil, and cyclone. See, you can see center, second letter is E, right? Pencil, second letter is, pencil, here C is there, middle, fourth letter is C, and next letter is I, vowel, right? And cyclone, C-Y, second letter is Y, right? Here you can see these C letter, center and pencil and cyclone. These C letters are following by the vowel E and the consonant Y. So it is sounds like yes, yes sound. It sounds like these C sounds like yes sound. Center, yes sound is there, right? Pencil, sil. It is sounds like yes only. Why? Because pencil, this C is followed by the vowel I, right? And cyclone, here the first C is followed by the consonant Y. So it is pronouncing as yes sound. Okay. See the thumb rule. Except for CI, CE and CY, C is pronounced as a K with the exception of CH. Okay. See, CI, CE, CY and C and except and CH also. These we cannot pronounce as K. If it is CI, if the word is starting with CI, CE, CY, C and CH. Sorry, C is not there. CI, CE, CY and CH. If the word is starting in this manner, it won't pronounce as K. Means K, it won't be K sound. Right. If it is CI, it will be S sound. Right. CE also S sound. And CY also S sound. And CH, what about CH? Church. For example, church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. How we pronounce ch? Right. Ch. Okay. See here. I hope you understand. Here is an activity below. See, say these words aloud and circle the correct sound of the letter C. See. We have to circle whether these letters, whether these words are having soft C or hard C. Soft C in the sense yes sound, hard C in the sense K sound. Okay. See, coast. Coast. Word coast. C-O-S-T. Here C is pronouncing as K. Right. So K, it means K is hard C. Right. Next one. Dance. Here is there C. Right. Dance. It pronouncing as S now. So it is soft C. Next. Cylinder. Cylinder. C-Y is there. Cylinder. How we pronounce C? Cylinder. It is soft C, right? Not hard C. Hard C means it will pronounce as K sound, right? Next, coast. Coast. C-O. Coast. It has K sound. So it is hard C, right? Next, C-U-B. Cub. Cub. Ka sound is there now, so it is hard C. See, you have to do this activity. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. I have done 5. So you have to do remaining 5. Okay, I hope you understand. I think you can do it easily. Okay, this is your homework. See, do it in textbook, and of course you have to write in notebook also. Okay, this is your today's homework. After writing in the notebook, you have to send me a photo of this. Okay.